Hello everyone, kumbai trende, hallo iedereen, y hola todos. Yes, this video will be in 4 languages. But first, thank you so much for everybody that helped in any type of way so far. You are amazing and I really appreciate it a lot. As I received a lot of feedback of a lot of people saying that their English is not that good to understand everything that I say, I've decided not to film all my videos in the 4 languages, no, but to at least translate my GiveSendGo link. So, hello everyone. Today, yes, you may still remember this video, and if you haven't seen it yet, then go ahead and check it out. But for now, we're gonna go to my profile and then go and click on that GiveSendGo link. Voor example, klik aan je naam aan, klik hier, faz favor, klik daar alstublieft. And then it opens to this page. And there, click on read more so you can read the version in English. Pero para todos não que lezen na Papiamentu, ou para todos que queiram ler em português. En voor iedereen die in het Nederlands wil lezen, klik daar. E assim aqui você chega na minha website, na minha blog. E aqui nós vamos ler a versão na Papiamentu. E para todos não que aponta se me tem teki of MCB me a ec não tá me para você. E para todas as pessoas em português também aqui a versão portuguesa, podem ler aqui tudo. E para as pessoas que me perguntaram se eu tenho MBWay, também adicionei o número do MBWay. And last but not least ook nog de versie in het Nederlands, zodat ook jullie mee kunnen lezen. En voor iedereen die gevraagd heeft of ik een tikkie aan kan maken, hier ook nog de link bij toegevoegd. And that's it. So, thank you, dankjewel, e obrigado.